Pets are good and loyal friends. Their owners should treat pets as friends. In that order, animals would be loyal and faithful. We wonder why pets show their affection and always listen patiently to whatever their owner says to them. Pets provide a lot of enjoyment for the whole family. They are playful creatures, which can be cuddled, stroked. Their owners can spend time with them in the open air. The whole process of looking after a pet brings a lot of satisfaction too. Pets make their owners socialize with other pet enthusiasts. People meet others while walking the dog or attending animal shows. They make new friends and exchange views about their pets. Their pets are a good reason to talk and break the ice. Pet animals have a beneficial effect on children. Keeping a pet teaches them positive emotions like empathy and affection towards living creatures. When they have to look after the animal on a regular basis, children can also develop a sense of responsibility and duty. Pets may have a therapeutic influence upon their lonely owners, who sometimes treat their animals as children and in this way satisfy their motherly or fatherly instincts. They stroke them, feed them, talk to them, buy them various garments or special toys. In this way, they try to compensate for the lack of their own children. Pets bring a lot of health benefits to their owners. They can relieve stress and calm down the person. By taking a walk and running around with them in the open air, the owner may get a lot of physical exercise, which helps them to keep fit. Animal experiments allow advancement in the treatment of diseases. Experimenting on animals helps to develop vaccines against diseases like rabies, mumps or tuberculosis. In fact, various kinds of antibiotics and cancer treatment rely on animal experiments because their results are indisputable. Testing new brands of cosmetics or cleaning products on animals only increases the profit among producers. It is not indispensable to mankind and it brings lots of suffering to living creatures. Frequently, animal tests bring no definitive results. Animals contribute to life-saving techniques. The first organ transplant operations and open-heart surgery were carried out experimentally on animals. They considerably accelerated the introduction of these types of treatment on humans. Nowadays, animals are used in laboratories to test new drugs. Animals are also living organisms. Neither artificial tissue nor computer simulation will ever substitute the reaction of a living organism. Experimenting with animals can provide answers to many research questions. The life of an animal is less valuable than that of a human being. Animal biology resembles to a certain extent human biology, but animals are not humans. That is why they may be employed in conducting experiments that would save human lives. Animals are also killed for food and sport. Death during medical research is more justified. We can survive in good health without eating meat, whereas new medicine equals millions of human lives saved. Cruel sports like hunting or bullfights annually take away a similar number of animal lives. New drugs can be tested in different ways. Even if they are not that accurate, different methods like using cell cultures or synthetic tissue can prove as effective as animal testing and are sometimes much more convincing. By using statistics to estimate the effect of a new drug, we can reduce the number of deaths of lab animals. Results of experiments can be misleading. An animal's response to a particular treatment can be totally different from the reaction of a human being. This leads to undermining the results and requires the repetition of the experiment. Animals feel and suffer the same way as humans do and should be treated with due attention. In the 21st century, we should fully realize the harm man is doing to the world of animals and try to stop it. From the moral point of view, killing animals in laboratory experiments is nothing different than murder. Alternative methods of testing are being improved all the time and should soon replace animal experiments. Experiments frequently involve the instant death of the animal. Not much pain is felt. Some research suggests that animals do not feel pain the way humans do. They experience physical discomfort, but it is not exactly physical pain. However, their suffering is unethical and experiments on animals should be abolished altogether.